Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, may I know your name?
I'm Marilu Biloria. I'm married. I'm 31 years old. I have 3 kids, 2 girls and 1 boy. I graduated a computer secretarial, which is a 2 years course.
Okay, any experience as a housemaid in Philippines?
Yes, sir. I have an experience here in the Philippines for 2 years.
Okay, how many members in the house?
We have 4 members in the house. My employer, their husband, and the 2 kids.
Okay, the 2 kids, how old?
They're 8 and the other one is 11 years old.
Okay, you need to send them go to school.
Yes, sir.
If on the way they are naughty and run around in the street, how can you handle?
Of course, I always hold their hands because there are a lot of cars in the highways.
Okay, you're a mother, right? You know how to take care of the newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
How do you know the baby is sick?
Of course, if the baby is always crying and if it is hot, the body is hot, and
Okay, you know marketing?
yes, sir.
Cooking?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How do you know the fish is fresh?
Of course, if their eyes is bright and their gills are red and it's alive, sir.
Yes. Okay, in case you're cooking in the kitchen, suddenly your mom wants you to go outside, what you will do?
Of course, I will take off the gas stove first, and I will go to my employer if she called me.
Okay, how can you maintain the good relationships with your employer?
Of course, I will be patient to there, and I will follow the rules in the house, and of course, I will be the one who always be in good relation with them.
Okay. In case, right, just in case, right, you work in Hong Kong,
Yes.
how can you solve your homesick?
Of course, I will not always think my family here in the Philippines, and sometimes siguro I call them at least once a week.
Once a week? Okay, any message to your future employer?
Sir and ma'am, if you hire me as your domestic helper, I will promise to obey your rules in the house, and I will be patient. I will be patient to your kids, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.